Hi, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Julianna.
Come and watch us make some healthy eats.
Inspired by our favorite films and television shows. Welcome to Cinema
and Spice.
Gregg.
It's Julianna.
And Natasha, you're on speakerphone.
Hi, guys.
We're doing our Cinema and Spice Avengers episode.
We have a really big problem. We need your help.
Guys, come on. That was a year ago. I'm dead. They killed me off.
Come on, Clark. We know Coulson lives in Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D.
You know about that, huh?
Everybody knows about that, and we really need your help. We've got green whole hummus and stark hot sauce, and they're not getting along.
Well, of course they're not. What are you wearing?
What do you think? Who's your favorite?
Romanoff. Julianna?
Lady Thor.
Lady Thor.
Well, are you gonna help us? We really need you. We really need your help. Please! Please!
I'm on my way. Okay, now that we've got the stark hot sauce and the Hulk hummus safely separated, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna make some Agent Coulson Coleslaw.
Nice.
To serve on our Avengers Shwarma.
With our special guest, Clark Gregg.
Ta-da! We have two different colors of cabbages, the purple and the green. We're gonna add them both to this bowl. Did you know that cabbage is actually a great natural hangover cure?
I did hear that, yeah.
Was it from me?
Next, add some olive oil. Parsley.
Oh, nice.
Some garlic. You want a fork? Nope. Finger works well. Sanitation first.
I watched them recently.
You didn't want to forget any garlic. You, Agent
Still good, it's still
Coulson
good.
wanted to be
Oh, it's
in
still
the
perfect.
coleslaw.
Okay, there we go.
We're gonna add some fresh mint,
Apple cider vinegar.
stark hot sauce, some salt, a lemon, half of a lemon.
Give it a squeeze there.
Hello.
I read that the S.H.I.E.L.D. headquarters is actually like at a NASA rocket building station. Is that true?
I can't talk about that.
Is it classified?
Seriously?
Yeah, no, it's true, it's true.
Really?
Yes.
Did
in
you get
Ohio.
to see any like cool NASA stuff?
I can't talk about it.
Yes, you can.
Okay, that's not some cool stuff.
They saw some cool NASA stuff. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're all done.
Pour it in, man.
Just like that?
Just like that. Now that we finished making our Agent Coulson Coleslaw,
We're going to assemble the shawarma.
Start off with a piece of aluminum foil, and if you can find them, a deli wrap. This makes it easy for folding. And then when you take your naan or pita, you're gonna place it just a little bit over the top so that when you fold it up, you have a visually stunning naan.
You do?
Uh-huh.
I normally associate pita with shawarma. Tell me why you've chosen to use the naan.
I like the texture of the naan, it's fluffier, so it goes better with some of the other crunchy items that we have. It's also usually made with ghee or butter, so it's just better, I think.
Got it.
it's better. So what goes first, Tosh?
First, we're going to take our green Hulk hummus.
Yes.
Store-bought hummus, we just added some parsley to make it green.
Of the people on the Avengers set, who were you closest with?
Natasha Romanoff and I had spent some time together. But I also really enjoyed getting to meet, finally, Captain America.
So dreamy.
She's really dreamy.
The dreamiest. Okay,
We have some fried eggplant.
you do.
If you have a vegetarian friend, you can fry a lot of it and use that as your...
That becomes their shawarma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next we have our Agent Coulson Coleslaw.
There's been a lot of like really cool, just like fan art, and people love your character.
It's truly gratifying, you know? Now I have my own coleslaw.
And your own show.
I find that when you get some coleslaw, soon you have your own show on ABC this fall called Marvel's Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D.
I'm gonna be watching.
There
We're
you go.
excited.
Next.
Here we have our shawarma-inspired chicken breasts.
Yes.
Has all the seasonings of shawarma, but obviously we don't have a spit.
And if you want to make this shawarma-inspired chicken breast, click below for the video. We'll show you everything that you need to know.
And then finally, we have some sriracha, which we're calling our stark hot sauce. Use at your own risk,
Okay.
especially since it's now on the same pita as the green Hulk hummus.
And you can usually find sriracha at any Asian market.
Whoa!
Just saying.
So then to wrap this puppy up, you're just going to...
But it's not really a puppy.
Ooh,
That would be gross.
Puppy sandwich. To wrap it up, you're just gonna fold it from the bottom, kind of like you would a taco. And then you want to encase it using your foil.
Hey Clark, when you have stunts, do you do them yourself?
You bet your Asgard.
Do you really?
Yes, within reason. All right.
Shall we try this
Okay,
shawarma?
cheers. Thank you for being on our
To Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D.
Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D.
The new show coming this fall on ABC. Here's to you.
Oh my god. Come on.
You gonna say anything about it? He likes
I
it.
took a big bite. I might have had a little too much hot sauce.
Oh no.
It's really good.
We'll see you next week
On cinema.
and Spice.